The technology and training required for a bike and rider to succeed in motocross are also unrelenting. The most recent generation RM-Z450 is the result of more than 40 years of open-class racebike engineering by Suzuki. "29 international and national championships, including 5 AMA 450 motocross, 2 AMA 450 supercross, 3 Australian supercross, and 3 Australian motocross championships, have already been won by the RM-Z450. A well-balanced engine, chassis, and electronics package, as well as striking aesthetics, come with this winning history. Suzuki's history of producing the best-handling motocross vehicles is continued with the RM twin-spar Z450's frame and twin-beam swing-arm construction. This twin-spar aluminum alloy frame blends cast and extruded components to optimize front-to-rear weight distribution while maintaining a healthy weight-to-strength ratio. The bike's fuel-injected 449 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, 4-stroke, 4-valve, DOHC engine is back for 23. Although sturdy and dependable, this motor lacks the power of its rivals. It produces respectable horsepower in the 50-plus range, but it has roughly 5 fewer than the most recent Honda or Yamaha models. The most recent RM-Z450 engine features greater peak power than the previous generation, a flatter overall torque curve, more low-end torque, and a quicker, yet more manageable throttle response. The form of the cylinder head port was optimized, and the tumble flow's strength increased by 25%. The port's smoother surfaces, which result from improvements to reduce surface roughness, increase engine performance. The most recent Showa front and rear suspension components are fitted to the RM-Z450, which results in improved responsiveness and traction, increased impact absorption, better chassis stability, overall rider feedback, a more realistic sense of the terrain, and increased comfort. The old air fork design is replaced up front by a 49mm Showa coil spring fork based on a Works A-type design. Performance has considerably improved, and it now feels more consistent all the way through a moto. Additionally, a larger variety of riders can set up and maintain their bikes much more easily. Suzuki's top-of-the-line GSX R1000 sports bike shares technology with the balance-free rear cushion, BFRC, rear shock design. To better manage the stroke and smooth out reactions to bumps and chop, even under hard braking, the design balances pressure above and below the piston. The brake pad material has been optimized for more linear reaction characteristics when you brake harder, and the front brake disc diameter has risen from 250mm on the previous model to 270mm. A 3-map coupler system, launch control, and Suzuki's MX Tuner 2.0, which enables riders to precisely tune a single coupler, are additional built-in electronics available on the Zook. Since the RM-Z lacks an e-start feature, the tuner is controlled via a smartphone app and is powered by an auxiliary battery. Although the battery and plug-in mechanism is more cumbersome than the sleek Yamaha power tuner, it is still a fantastic tool.